Okay, good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Now to those that are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button. Make sure you actually subscribe, like and share. So let's take a look at gold for the week. If we take a look at this week that just finished, gold actually gave us a bullish move, right? 2 weeks ago, we also had a bullish move. 3 weeks ago, also, we had a bullish move. Anyway, gold is giving us a bullish move. One of the reasons is that there is a drop on our DXY or USD index. We also the news that came out was not about on Friday, on Wednesday or Thursday, right? I think it was on Thursday yesterday. So the news about CPI came out, right, and it did not actually come out very well. It did not come out good. That is to tell you that DXY or USD index, more drop is to come. So once there is more drop on this DXY or our USD index, when you continue to see it gets a drop on this DXY, then be very, very assured that gold would continue to go bullish. Now let's start with this trend. Starting from the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame, we would analyze it down to the forward time frame. So let's start with the trend first. Gold was giving us an uptrend move. You clearly can see an higher highs and higher highs was actually playing out on our gold. We can also see this price trading above this 10 period simple moving average. By the way, I'm using 10 period simple moving average to actually guide us. So we all know the rules of trading this moving average, right? As long as your price is trading above it, especially when you see your price above your moving average, then it is a buy movement. All what you want to do is look for a setup to go ahead and take your buy. But if it is trading below it, then that is a sell movement. All what you want to do is go ahead and sell. So previously, we can say during this period, price was actually trading above this moving average. Then got to a period when price was trading below this moving average. Well, price was actually trading, you know, then price started trading above this moving average, during that period of 2018, 2019, and actually price of gold actually got to its peak the year 2020. I think during that was not after the lockdown, right? So early during that lockdown period, gold was actually rising. Majority of all our assets was actually rising. You can see stocks and everything, they actually went up. So anyway, gold got to its peak, and I wanted to mark this level. Watch out for this level because it will be very, very useful for us. So we saw that gold got to this peak, then a rejection was made on our gold, and we got a drop. You can see that this drop to this level, then price went up, then price came to this same level, price has reacted to the same level. This is one of the reasons why I took this level. I have highlighted this level, which we will take as our support level. At one time, price actually got to this same level again previously. Then there was a pullback. You can see these two red candlestick here. Then price actually broke above it. When price dropped, it dropped to the same level, found a rejection at this level, it went up, came to test the same level again. You can see candlestick wicks taking, then price went up again to test this highs where price got to at in the period of 2020. In the year of 2022, price now got to that same highs. Then we found we had a rejection, which candlestick wick is taking at the top. So this is one of the reasons why I took this level up as a resistance level, and why this level down that price has been reacting to as a support level. Well, price dropped to the same support level, gave us a little bit of a breakout. I believe this was actually a breakout, and now price is going up, is rising. Of course, where do you expect it to actually rise to? Definitely, we all know where this gold will rise to this resistance level. So we will be watching out for a level of 2000. Currently we are trading at 1920. We should be watching out for a level of 2000, even more than that, above more than 2000. But we should actually watch out for level of 2000, more than 2000. So at least we should be able to hit this level March, April. So, the month of January will soon be over though. So we get to the month of February, then maybe March, you should be able to have taken out this ice on this gold. Anyway, more bullish move is to come. So take a look at this month. In the month of November, gold gave us a bullish move. We had a bullish move. We opened and closed bullish. You can also see the month of December, gold also gave us a bullish move. We opened and closed bullish. And the month of January, we're in the month of January, and price has given us a bullish move. So more bullish move is to come. Since this month has not ended, then we have more bullish move to be made, coupled with the fact that price is actually trading above this 10 period simple moving average. You see, at once it was trading below this simple moving average. If we were following consistently, you would have seen how we actually sold at this period, how we were selling. But where price has corrected itself and it is trading above this 10 period simple moving average. So above all, this gold is bullish. More bullish move is to come. So the month of January, we have gotten a bullish move. When we enter the month of February, we would also have a bullish move. Have that in mind. And maybe March, we should be able to take out this level, which is the resistance level. Maybe then we can now, after price has taken out this resistance level, maybe then we can now start watching out for a pullback. But before that, we need to take out this resistance level on our gold. So gold bullish move is to come. That should now take us to the weekly time frame. So I'm going to take a look at it, we'll zoom it out. So now you all know why we took this level as a resistance and the support level, right? Now let's go to what this price is actually playing out now. You can see previously this was a lower lows and a lower highs. You can clearly see price is dropping, no doubt about that. We can also see that price was trading below this 10 period moving average. It was during the year of 2022, price was actually trading below this 10 period simple moving average. Well, the month of November, last year, price started correcting itself, and we can see that this price is now trading above our 10 period simple moving average. You can now see higher highs and higher lows. So before you actually take your trade, before you actually take trade on anything, one question you would want to ask yourself is that what is the trend for this movement that I'm trading? Is it an uptrend move? Is it a downtrend move? Or is it a ranging market move? And we can see that this is an uptrend move. So this at first price came to this same level, then there was a rejection at the bottom, which price came up, dropped again to this same level, it had a rejection. This is one of the reasons why candlestick wick is taken at the bottom. Then price went up and price dropped to the same level again. It gave us a rejection at the same level. One of the reasons candlestick wick is taken at the bottom. Then price started going up. That is to tell you that there is now a change of direction. Now we are now on a bullish move. So we would see this to be an higher highs on a weekly time frame, by the way. This should be taken as a correction, then a new highs, and you take a look at this to be a correction. Now this is a new highs. Fortunately, right, or I should have, we should be expecting for a pullback, right? There's no doubt we should be expecting for a pullback on this gold, but I don't think we will be getting it anytime soon because more drop is to come on our gold, right? So let's see if maybe this week would have that correction. I'm not really sure because you can see that this gold itself, when you go to your DXY, there's kind of like a similar movement between DXY and USD index. Have that in mind. So if there's a drop on DXY, we tend to see a rise on our gold, and if there's a rise on DXY, we tend to see a drop on our gold. So I've done deep analysis on this gold. You can check the channel. I've pinned the video up. So now, if you take a look at this DXY, you see that there is a drop at this level, and this is seen as a pullback, right? Now a new drop has been made. So what are we going to be expecting next? Of course, we need to expect a pullback on this DXY. Once that pullback is made, we will now continue this our bearish move on this DXY. So we should watch out for a pullback, which will be bullish because price has reacted to this same level, right? We expect price also give us a reaction at the same level. So there's a possibility that a pullback will play out here, which will be bullish. So if a pullback plays out here, which is bullish, then expect a drop on gold. Well, we will continue that bullish move this week. So this week, right, we believe that this USD index, once it corrects itself, it will continue to drop. And once it drops, then we expect more bullish move on gold. So we should just watch out for a pullback this week, especially on the daily time frame. We will get into that soon. So watch out for a pullback this week. Then we will now continue the bullish move on gold. So above all, gold is still on a bullish move. And you can also see it is still trading above this 10 period simple moving average. So we still expect more bullish move to be made on our gold. Now that should take us to the daily time frame. So I may take a look at this massive move on this gold. You can also see it is also trading above this 10 period moving average. So monthly time frame, we are trading above the moving average. Same thing with the weekly time frame. We are trading above this moving average. And now when you go to the daily time frame, we are also trading above this moving average. So what we want to do on gold is actually, to go long, right? The goal is actually to take a buy on this our gold. So now let's see this. Let's start with here, which is an higher highs. There was an higher lows here, higher highs. Then an higher lows was formed, new highs that took out the previous highs, and an higher lows was formed. You can see this new highs here, then higher lows was formed, which is served as a pullback. Then we saw this highs here that actually got to this same level, right? I told you guys that we should expect a drop at this level. Well, price did not actually give us that drop. It gave us a pullback at this level, kind of like a reaction, which we kind of like expected to play out. Anyway, price has now gone bullish, right? So let's see if on Monday and Tuesday we would also make a bullish move. Then maybe price will give us a pullback. Once price give us that pullback, what do we expect next on this gold to USD, right? We would expect more bullish move. So more bullish move on this our gold for this week. But I think the best time to actually take your trade on gold, I think once the pullback is being made, I think that would be an assurance to actually go ahead and take your buy. If you want to go ahead and take it, well, it's up to you. Now let's see what this forward time frame is actually saying. So this forward time frame, we can start. Let's start from here, which is ice here, a pullback. You can now see a new ice and a pullback. Now a new ice is being made here. So like I said, on Monday and Tuesday, we should expect more bullish move. If this good can go bullish more, then maybe a pullback will play out. Once the pullback plays out, we can now continue the bullish move on our gold for the week.